It's your travel agent, David, and we just got to Terminal 1 at Port Canaveral. We're going to get on the Icon of the Seas. So if you're coming to Terminal 1 for any cruise ship, check it out. Now, when you get here, we're underneath the parking garage. There's a ramp right over there. You can get up there, find a porter. They'll take good care of your bags. Don't forget to give them a little tip. You see this blue strip right here? You're going to follow the blue strip right to the building. If you're in the suites or you're a Pinnacle, you're going to go off to the left-hand side. They got their own little fast lane for you. Pretty handy. So it took us about 4 minutes to get from the front door through security. We're heading to check in now. Very well oiled machine. It is 12 o'clock, so pretty good crowd and still very fast. Now this place is set up really weird. So you're gonna come over here, check in, and then you can go to the ship, but you can go to the ship without checking in. So if you do that, you're gonna get kicked back. There's just been a lot of people hanging around. They go right from the door to this door and then they're coming back. So just make sure you check in before you get onto the ship. Once you get done getting your boarding pass scanned for the second time, you're on to the ship. So if you have any questions about Terminal 1 here in Port Canaveral, let me know. Till next time, I'll see you next trip. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see the Stars of the Sea, or Star of the Seas video. We're just stars, that's all.